Good morning. It's Friday, December 22nd, 2023. This is your Georgia WeatherNet morning update. Checking out the radar. We're showing those flashes of green there in southeast Georgia. That's not rain. Radar's in clear air mode, so just picking up a little bit of, actually a little inversion that we have this morning, and so a little ground clutter there, but no precipitation across the state. So we take a look at temperatures. Let's first of all take a look at the infrared satellite imagery, and this shows us where the cloud cover is located. So some pretty thick clouds down in southeast Georgia and along the Georgia coastline, and then we can overlay the temperatures, and you'll see what happens with the clear skies versus the cloudy skies. So we have those mid-40s and 50s down along the Georgia coastline, and then we cool off tremendously up in Rome, 27 degrees with the clear skies. So whatever heat was developed yesterday through the course of the day just escaped right up into the atmosphere in northwest Georgia. And at least we have a little bit of a blanket in the mid-state and South Georgia to help keep us somewhat on the mild side. I don't want to say warm, but at least on the mild side as we get started this morning. More cloud cover is on the way, so expect mild temperatures tomorrow morning. Let's zoom out a little bit and take a look at our next weather maker. It is located right over the center of the country. We see those showers developing through Missouri all the way down into Texas, and if you connect the dots, just east of Dallas, moving up northeast around between Fort Smith and Little Rock, that's going to be your frontal boundary, and that's what's going to be pushing our way and will bring some rain to us as we head into Christmas Eve and certainly on Christmas Day. A few thunderstorms in there as well. So we'll talk about the timing. Let's take a look at our modeling for today. Things are pretty quiet. We're going to notice our high-pressure center that's been located right over Georgia the last couple of days continues to slide off toward the northeast. That's going to allow a little change in our weather here as we wrap up the week and head into the weekend. But moving into this afternoon, things are fairly quiet. Little cloud cover remains over mainly the eastern part of the state, and a shower or two trying to pop up from Savannah down to Darien and Brunswick, but we're going to keep most of that rain away today. As we get started tomorrow morning, a little bit more cloud cover. We'll see mild temperatures as we get started, and those clouds will be lingering throughout the day tomorrow. And then as we head into Sunday, here's Saturday, we see those showers starting to move in a little bit closer. Now Sunday morning, Christmas Eve, a couple of pop-up showers possible over Columbus and LaGrange. I think our better chance of just a few scattered showers will be along the Georgia coastline as we head into Christmas Eve night. But we see all that rain out in Mississippi heading into Alabama. That's what's going to be pushing our way. So by Christmas morning, those showers will be overhead. And then as we move through the day, it looks like a few thunderstorms possible in South Georgia, mainly south of I-16 and east of I-75. Not looking at any severe weather, but just a few thunderstorms there. So not a white Christmas, but it will be a rainy Christmas. That's the latest from the Georgia WeatherNet. Now your local forecast from northwest Georgia to southeast Georgia.